Morning, welcome back. Sunny for now, thunderstorms later. Before we start, thanks for everyone that's been subscribing and following me and watching weekly. Now reached 1,000 subs, so let's get on to 2,000 subs. Let's do it even more. So I want to give out a shout out to my uncle Derek. I went to a wedding. And it was my cousin's wedding, and I hadn't seen any of them for like, say, a good 6 years or something like that. My uncle comes over and he goes, right, I've been watching you. You're on my bloody telly. I'm like, oh my God, I'm famous. But it's not like it's my name. I'm just the Yorkshire landscaper. I'm just anybody at her, and I'm popping up on his TV all the time. So he watches weekly now. So I love it. And then I went to go see my auntie, and she was like, oh my God, you're on my TV. I love it. Stardom. I'm telling you. What's that footy match that we're on? What's that footy match? I'll be on Soccer Aid next year. You watch this space. Soccer Aid. I'm coming to get you. So, this week we are putting the blocks in, putting the soil in, finishing off the sleepers. We're only here till Wednesday. These guys can't have us for a week, so they're off on holiday, the jammy buggers. So then we'll start in another job on Wednesday for a week, and then coming back just for odd days to put turf down and stuff like that. But we could lay the turf, but obviously no one's here to water it, middle of June in it, so you don't know. Even though it's freezing this morning, you don't know how warm it's going to be next week. So yeah, cheers guys, I hope you enjoy this episode. Right, we've got that side in, it's just before dinner. 2 mixes, smashed it. So we've compacted that. As I got up there and finished compacting, the belt on the whacker snapped. So I really needed it this afternoon to whack this side here. So I've ended up putting a dry mix in. That sleeper's back in. I ended up putting a dry mix in, which is fairly bloody wet, to be honest with you. Sand's absolutely soaked from all that rain. I'm gonna get that bit of timber out there. It chainsaw tomorrow. We forgot it this morning. So yeah, it's looking good. It's gonna look good by the end of today. And then Tom over there has put the wall in, built it up. So we're gonna tile that up. We're gonna put the copings on tomorrow and then tile that up on Wednesday, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow afternoon. But it'll probably bloody change, won't it? Always does. There it is. The £35 jet wash once again. Out in force. I love it. Yeah, it's coming on. Morning. So we've changed his mind today. The tarmacking down road, so we are not soiling up. We was going to be bringing like 10 to 12 tonne of soil in, but you can guarantee, this one on the phone, you can guarantee absolute nightmare. So we're going to leave that till tomorrow, and this is what we're doing today. Sounds like a stress, but we're putting these bad boys on. How nice they are. We've got first 2 on. Didn't want you to see me stressing out about it, or Tom. So thought we'd do best bit first, get a starter on it, and then crack on. But I hope I don't have any spare, because Laura will want these. You just know she will. So whatever. Anyway, tiling today, tiling tonight at home. Gonna see a funny story. Go on to TikTok, and that's me plasterboard in my bathroom, singing to Cortina's full blast. Obviously I can't put it on here because of copyright reasons, for some stupid reason, so check out my TikTok, Yorkshire Landscaper. But crack on with these, hopefully it rain will hold off. See you soon. Right, we've got this first section on, let's have a look. Look how nice it looks. It's got a couple of cuts up in this corner. We've done us cuts down that side. It's just going to go over the planter, and we're going to do one tile down there, because obviously it's soil sinks and stuff. So you're going to see a little bit of breeze block if not. So now we're going to do this section here. It's just over 300 high, I think, if that. And we're going to go straight onto that section. Like what you normally do is you do easy bits first, easy bits, and then you get to hard bit and it takes bloody ages. So we're just gonna go as we go rather than excuse me, rather than doing all these bits first. We're going to just crack on. So we've got that nice little bit in. Absolute easy, let's swear, absolutely easy. So let's have a look at these. £65 square metre. There's 12 pieces to half a metre, so 24 to a square metre. But if you look on the back, you can see all the glue on there. Some poor Italian or Portuguese guy should have done better at school, because now he's just making them. That's what we're paying for, 65 quid. That's mental, innit? Just glued together. They're solid as well. They are pretty strong. But yeah, I think I found a new tile that I love. Put that with porcelain. Game changer. Absolute game changer for your garden. Be expensive, but a game changer. Get some likes on TikTok and Instagram if you got that. I like it. So we've got the tiles that we've got all them in now. That bit looks well smart. Then just a few cuts at this side, and then obviously sleepers reaching that side. As a supplier, I hope he's not watching this, but Chris is on holiday, who normally supplies us, and have supplied me my bathroom, which is lovely, thank you. However, your lad only give us 3 square metres instead of 6 square metres. So I'm guessing they're still on the pallet, because that's what I ordered, 6 square metres. But yeah, it looks well smart now. It just totally promotes the wall. Looks loads better, doesn't it? And grass runs up to there. Look nice with that. But yeah, we've just got some soil. Let's have a look at this. It's been screened 3 times. 20 quid. 20 quid a ton. Which is quite good, because it's just around the corner, whereas normally we'll just get a grab wagon that comes and just tips it off for us, you know. So yeah, Tom's just moved my van. God, please don't bloody crash it, please. And he hasn't. He's here by the looks of it, unless he's hiding it. But yeah, let's get some soiling. Good morning, good morning. This morning, sleepers in. I've just cut a bit of that stump off there. Resin up, tiles on there, and tiles on there. I think that'll be a bit of a mess about doing that. I'm going to put a step in next time we're here on his next visit. So yeah, it's quite busy. But this side, it's rained on it last night, so it's cleaned all dust off from like your quarry or whatever. But yeah, it's a nice colour, that. Can hardly see any joints. I love it, proper love it. So yeah, let's get to it. that bit's on. So now, like an absolute weasel, I'm going to do all the little bits now, so it don't put me off. We're going to go up this edge, meet this one, and then put some full ends across there. Because if I don't, I'll end up just putting it off and putting it off. And we'll do that last thing over that side. Right then, as you've seen, that side's done. That were done so fast. Half an hour it took us to do that. But then that's taken me 3 hours because of all of us cuts down that side. And then, that, you know what I mean? It's going to have to get some white silicone for up there. But can't do walls out straight. Can't mitre it. Makes this area look nicer. So we're done. We're done for today. We are pulling off a job for a week. Steve's off on holiday. I'm going to go start a new job in Adel, next to my favourite butchers. So I'll be just filling up on lamb and mint for next week. So we have a few questions going on constantly if you want to ask any more on comments. But this week, someone asked, how do I get in touch with you? So the best way is through his socials. Garden Revamps is on Insta, and then TikTok is Yorkshire Landscaper, same as here obviously. So yeah, if you drop us a message through there, don't think you can do it on YouTube, drop us a message through there and then I will get in touch and we will arrange to get a quote done. But yeah, I'm putting this out on Wednesday, as it's Wednesday today. Putting it out on Wednesday once I've finished tiling at home. But I'll drop another one on Thursday, Friday. It's quite busy, so there'll be a lot to show you. So, guys, see you soon, and have a good week.